Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix where I'll be showing you another tutorial video on the topic how to fix TikTok account warning. If you're having trouble with fixing your TikTok account warning, you're not alone. This issue is more common than you might think. But don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end, one of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix, airplane mode. Go ahead and turn it on from the notification bar or control center. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off. Then try logging in into TikTok again and you'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Now let's see if there is an update available for TikTok in your Play Store or App Store. Go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store. Then go to search and then search for TikTok. Then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear cache. Go ahead and open your settings, then go to search, then search for apps, then click on the options of app, then scroll down until you see the option of TikTok. Go to TikTok and then scroll a bit down until you see this option of storage. Then on the bottom right of your screen, you'll see the option of clear cache. Then hit the clear cache option. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get into in a second. And if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app TikTok from your phone and try reinstalling it with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go, one of these methods should have helped you get back into your TikTok account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.